Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the constants on the Stumble Guys uh, account, of course, or game. So first of all, of course, all we need to do, just go and download the Stumble Guys application or game if you don't have it on your phone. You can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So once you did that, you will need to go and open it. And of course, if you are interested on playing Stumble Guys on the PC, you will find a video on the channel on how to do that exactly. So just go and check it out on how to download Stumble Guys on this PC on this channel. Of course, you may notice that my game opens fast. That's because I had it already opened for you. It will load a bit and log you into your account. If it's your first time, it will create an account for you. You don't need to do anything in this game. Just download it and start playing directly. So now let me just show you how to change the constants on Stumble Guys. So first of all, when you open the game, this will be actually your home or your main screen. And from here, you'll need to go at the top right corner, settings option. So as you can see here, we have the settings on the Stumble Guys. Of course, you can connect to your Google Play and Facebook if you are willing to change your phone and you want to keep your skins and etc, and of course your other things if you want to change this. So just go and change whatever you want. For me, I'm just going to click at the privacy option right here. We have open, so just go. So let me just go and click on that. So once you click on it, normally you'll find here privacy policy, and the second option used to be change constants, but in this new update they actually remove that and replace it with term of service. So if you're going to ask me now how can I change my constants on this game, so unfortunately it's not available at this moment because they remove it in the update. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial and goodbye.